Hello, how are you? Nice meeting you, everybody. Especially my partnership on the global and new client, old customer. Welcome. I'm Dr.Charles Kim, CEO of European Prestama Group Company Limited in Frankfurt, Brussels, Luxembourg, Amsterdam, London, Rome, Barcelona, Lisbon, New York, Hong Kong, Beijing, Shanghai, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Wuhan, Singapore, Bangkok, Jakarta, Montreal, Sydney, Seoul, Tokyo, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Jeddah, Istanbul, Moscow, Sao Paulo, Johannesburg. Hereby give a live tutoring message. How could you make a solution for the project financing program and the corporate financing program, structured financing program, object financing program, constraint financing program, and the commodity trader financing program, and the special financing program. Especially in here today is we are tutoring for the project financing program. Project financing program is concentrated to the CM and PM, contractor, and also project manager and construction manager. Focus on the international project developer who has a plan to apply for the project financing program, who has a plan to be a professional financial specialist and be a financial master or doctorate degree and preparing for their thesis, in respect of academic background, nationality, past career, and their ages. Number one is the project developer, project advisor. Project advisor and developer are a little different, and project contractor. Project manager. Project manager. This is the PM. Construction manager is CM. Today we can concentrate to the tutoring for the project manager and the construction manager on behalf of a project contractor. Almost of a friend of mine and my partner is they cannot understand the project financing program, but they have many projects. You understand? But the many projects bring the feasibility study and the geological study report and the project proposal and the project of pitch deck and the prospectus. Everything is they bring to us. Okay, project advisor, project agency, project financial agency is like this. Equity financing arrangement service and the project financing mandator. They are the super senior make trenching, super senior, senior, mezzanine, junior, equity, ratio D financing, and the consortium. Project consortium loan, consortium project loan, and syndicate loan, and with limited recourse loan and non-recourse loan, project financing syndicator, seed accelerator, startup manager, incubator fund manager, angel fund manager, venture capital company, pitch deck of project planner. Welcome very much. And project prospectus manager, public project promoter, a private project promoter, no problem, welcome. And the corporate financier, lead organizer, underwriter, and the security subscription cooperator, and structural financier, structural financing lead manager, securitizer and the lead manager, and underwriter in here, very important one, and the constraint and financier, object financier. Object financing is meaning that lease financing, commodity trade financier, bank instrument resto, and bank instrument kutta, monetizer, fundraiser, you know very well. There is many kinds of fund. How to do fundraising is the next time, and next course, maybe indirect financing market over there is a fund over there. What kind of fund over there? I can explain to you. fund manager, asset manager, fund manager and asset manager. Different one. Financial product developer, derivative developer, trader, speculator, hedger, spreader, insurer, insurance, and reinsurance, surety insurance company, trust company, settler, truster, donor, grantor. Trust transaction practitioner, international financial attorney of law firm, international CPA advisor. In here, big tech. What is meaning big tech? You know, if you have a big tech project, okay, very much welcome. We are ready to provide a project financing program and corporate financing program, structured financing program together. Big tech is for your reference. This is the data of 2022 years. During the COVID-19, we cannot fly out of country, only stay on the office. You understand? We are stayed up like the big tech company. Number one is the Aramco. Aramco is at that time our data is 1,760 billion in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Apple is the 1,644 in USA. Microsoft 1,543 in USA. Amazon 1,524 in USA. Alphabet 1,044 billion in USA. Alibaba 673 billion in China company, but they are registered in the New York security market. Tencent 670 billion in China market, same as the Alibaba. They are listed in the New York NYSE. Facebook 666 billion in USA. Berkshire Hathaway 467 billion in USA. Johnson & Johnson 388 billion in USA. We are a study of the 100 of the big tech company. If they wanted to expand of their branch and need to money, the demand for the project financing program, object financing program, corporate financing program, we will give them of the general service, money and legal everything. And also the other student master degree or doctorate degree, they are now who is preparing for their thesis, doctorate thesis or master degree thesis. And the security, what is mean security? Stock, bond, draft, check like this one, they can change one. It's the load show. You need to understand load show. Financial podcaster. Financial podcaster. What is meaning that? And the number two is a project financing program originated from the institution or institute. The primary financial sector, commercial bank. This is the indirect financial sector. Is the saving and the loan market over there, and the commercial bank, and the private province bank, province commercial bank, and the normal city province bank. And this is they can make up the credit creation. You understand? They have a function is the saving and the loan together. You understand? Next time is I will explain to you what is meaning that the credit creation. The second financial sector, investment bank too much, but they have only saving function, but they have no the maybe loan function. Sometimes is the other, but USA is different. Euro is a different financial law and the financial code. Financial act is different. Security corporation, real estate investment and trust fund. This is a rich fund, what you call. Insurance corporation fund, trust corporation corporate fund, community bank fund, citizen post bank fund. Like this is the secondary financial sector. The third, special bank fund. Special bank fund is their own special purpose. they have a bank of special purpose. For example, is the National Construction Bank. That is the only construction project investor. And also National Industrial Bank. They are only money is put into invest to the setup of a factory, plant, develop of the maybe high technology and industrial, maybe the other industrial complex like this. National Housing Bank Fund, National Agricultural Bank Fund, National Fishery Bank Fund, National Postal Bank Fund, National Forest Bank Fund. Like this is their special purpose. But now is the country by country, a little different their purpose. But they are the generally speaking like this. Number 4 is a fundraiser. Fundraiser is a real estate investment and trust fund. They have 3 kinds, but the fund is another is a fund too much. But in here, real estate investment fund and the trust, this real estate developer, the loan type fund and the stock type fund and derivative type fund. Maybe if you register in our professional curriculum course, where we can explain very detailed. It's a loan type of fund, how to do. Loan type of fund is the recourse loan type fund and the limited recourse loan type fund and non-recourse loan type fund over there. And the stock type is like this. This rich company is they have project. Okay, in this case is they can maybe through the maybe IPO or initial public offer and also the follow-on public offer. They can issue up the stock and the sell and the gathering of the money, is raising of fund and put into project. This is the open-end type and the closed-end type. There is the complicated process over there. And the derivative type fund. And the number 5 is the fundraising type. Project fundraising and the blind fundraising. 2 types over there. Project fundraising is meaning that they already have a project and also they have over there is the license, everything. For example, is a refinery project over there. If you want to fundraising, okay, you check over the refinery license and also the offtake agreement and maybe power plant. Power plant is key. Is the other what kind of one? Power purchase agreement. You understand? PPA agreement. This is you check. But the other in this case, this is the other project fundraising. Blind fundraising is the other. Over there, no project here. First of all, is we have a very big the liability and the credibility in the society, and maybe international and global. In this case, is the maybe George Soros like this. They can maybe the raising of fund. Many people is invest over there. Okay. In this case, is that fund is the open-end fund. You understand? Open-end fund. But this fund is like this. Open-end fund and the closed-end fund over there, project or not. Within 90 days, is a fundraiser is registered on the market. You understand? Market is the trade market over there. But in here, I cannot. Maybe I need to urgently demand for the money. In this case, this fund is the open-end fund is I can return and maybe money is the refund back. But the other like this, in this case, within after 90 days. This fund is through the traded market, we can sell and buy. This is another way. This is the legal obligation of a fundraiser. And the fundraising method is the public offering and the private equity fundraising kind. The public offering and the PPP, private placement program. This is the public offering is the initial public offering and the follow-on public offering. There is a 2-1. And another is the private placement program. Is the private equity fund raising kind. This is a private equity fund. Private equity fund is the hedge fund and the equity fund. Equity fund. Hedge fund is the different one. But each country a little different hedge fund and private equity fund. Equity fund is like this. There is another two kind of micromanagement angel fund, micromanagement angel fund, and the equity participating fund. Over there is the many kind of fund. The micromanagement angel fund like this. This is minimum we will buy up your equity 51%, 50 plus 1% minimum, maximum 90%, and then we will dispatch. Our fund is dispatch of the chairman and the account man. But technology and engineering is you responsible. But another management is we will responsible. This is the micromanagement angel fund. But equity participating fund is another one. This is simple one. This is we will buy up your shareholder. Understand? Only 10%, maybe only 20%, maximum 49%. But we cannot dispatch of any people. You understand? Only we trust your management and the engineering team of your company. This is the equity participating fund. In there also the micromanagement angel fund and the equity participating fund is the incubating fund, startup fund, and angel fund, venture capital fund, merger and acquisition fund, enterprise of the spin-off, spin-out, carve-out fund, restructuring fund. This kind of fund, you understand? This is only project financing program, not the fund. Fund is section is different, but in order to the raising of a fund for the project financing program, roughly like this one, and perpetual floating rate note, you need to understand, and the reserve floating rate note, you need to understand. And the number 7, project engineering and construction participant. Now is the CM and the PM and the CM side as a project developer. There's many kind of project developer, government project developer, municipal government project developer, and the competent minister of government, they can be of their project too. Developer, social or the capital project developer, trust company, they can be of the very big project developer, reconstruction cooperative. Maybe your apartment is a reconstruction of there is a cooperative, housing cooperative. Housing cooperative is like this. Maybe the company housing cooperative, and also they can maybe landowner housing cooperative. Landowner, they wanted to maybe cooperative. In this case, they can be a project developer, but they cannot be project contractor. They have no project construction license. In this case, they can invite of the project manager and the construction manager, and then that's the solution for the everything. And the urban renewal cooperative, urban redevelopment cooperative, high technology and industrial complex developer, high tech plant developer. Maybe plant is the refinery plant developer, fertilizer developer, cement plant developer, like this one. In this case, is the PM and the CM is the housing project. PM and the CM is different. You understand? Especially in the construction manager of the refinery plant and the cement plant, different one. Maybe they have no experience. You understand? In this case, is the CM. They have, although they have cement plant and fertilizer experience and knowledge, but they cannot be of the refinery plant construction manager. You understand? But it can be, but sometimes some things can cover, some is cannot cover. You understand? Because of that is normally speaking, project developer of government, they wanted to invite the project manager and the project construction manager, invite wanted to who have experience and the knowledge and the know-how already in the past. And the artificial intelligence project developer, like this one, and the project advisor, who is the project advisor, is they already invest of their own capital into project. This is a project advisor. How much is the other? We don't know, maybe 5%, maybe maximum 10%. Project contractor and the consortium. And the project contractor and the main contractor and the subcontractor. Project manager, now in here, project manager is the job and the mission, project feasibility study. Project manager, they do it like this one, preparation for the business analysis table and of income and the expensive. They can prepare during the study of, during the make of project feasibility study, project feasibility study report. Futures sales income cash flow they can make, and inter-credit agreement they should do it, and the build up for the project financing special purpose vehicle, selection of lender or the joint venture project, maybe lender and the joint venture project too. And also the arrange for the project mandator, arrange for the mandated lead manager. Number 2, project financing mandator. Project financing mandator and maybe project financing mandator and the lead arranger is a different one. Project financing mandator is the exclusive contract for the project financing that follow for the collection of the large shareholder to arrange full project financing for the arrangement fee and charge. You understand? This is the, and also the other project financing mandator. They can they have right to the maybe chopping into the this is a super senior tranche and the senior tranche and mezzanine tranche, junior tranche, equity residual tranche, and also registration for the project financing special purpose vehicle. This is the what they call is the PFB, but the other fully speaking is a project financing special purpose vehicle. Arrange for the project equity of the project developer. You know, this is a key point. And arrange for the bridge loan to transfer land ownership. Maybe land owner cooperative, they wanted to housing project. In this case, they are not enough to money, but they have land. In this case, is in this project manager, they can arrange for the bridge loan and the swing loan, gear loan. In UK, come to this gear loan. Arrange for the principal investment. This is arrange for the PI. What does it mean PI? As organizing for the syndicate loan and the consortium loan. PM is working too much. And the selection of the subcontractor and the consortium. Sometimes the contract and the subcontract. And contract and the consortium. This is the consortium leader and the consortium membership. Project Environmental Impact Assessment Institute. Project Terrific Impact Assessment. Terrific Impact Assessment Institute. project Civil Engineering Design Institute, Civil Engineering Design and Design and Drawing Institute is the construction design center. Understand? Civil Engineering Design Center is the some is the can cover together, but the other maybe is the maybe the civil engineering is different. You understand? Different one. Okay. Project Design and Drawing Institution, project construction contractor, already construction contractor and the project construction manager and the project contractor, project construction contractor. Contractor is the subcontractor. Contractor leader and consortium leader and leader member consortium membership. Project key machine and facility manufacturers. Project machine and facilities commissioning entity, and also project machine and facility test run company, project machine and facility operation company, project facility and machine maintenance company, project asset manager, insurance company, transportation company, project attorney law firm, project advisor, CPA advisor firm. Normally speaking, this is the selection by the project manager. Plan for the construction worker. This is the construction manager. Is the composition of organization. Establishment of the comprehensive plan, establishing for the budget for the bill of quantity. Bill of quantity, normally this is a construction manager, and also make a master plan and prepare for the international tender or local bidder guide. This is guidance prospectus. Bidding and contract step. Number 2 is bidding and contract step is a selection of contract of consortium member. This is the CM. CM is the engineering and technology. PM is the administrative. First start, you understand? But some big general construction company, they have a certificate of the PM certificate, the CM certificate too. But they are the different one. Maybe reconstruction corporate, they have a CM, housing apartment like this. But CM is different CM. Maybe the refinery plant, cement plant, fertilizer plant, petrochemical, maybe propylene, ethylene plant of the CM, PM. It's a different one. But normally speaking, PM can cover up almost the project, but CM is the different one. You understand? But they have a long experience. They can cover up the almost of a big project too. Startup construction step. Number 3. Construction supervising according to the design and the drawing. This is the construction manager, CM. Follow-up management. The final project construction analysis, project termination report, project finish and also settlement report to the maybe the government, the competent minister, and also the state municipal government. Okay. 13. Selection of a project asset manager company. This is the selection by the PM, CM, trust company. Many project developer, they can selection, no problem. Selection of the surety guarantee corporation. This is the same. CM, PM, no problem. Surety guarantee credit reinforcement for the project contractor. Number 15, selection of insurance company in engineer and employee life insurance, non-life insurance, property insurance, and maybe facility equipment insurance. This is a non-life insurance. Project insurance. This is project insurance is different. equipment and facility insurance and the project insurance, different one. And war and the strike insurance, different one. Number 16 is selection of the financing lead manager and the mandate arranger. This is the project manager or CM and the PM they can do. But normally speaking, this is belong to the PM selection. Financial agency, equity fund arrangement service, arrange for the principal investment of lender, arrange for the lender bridge loan. This is the PM, PI like this one. Number 2, project financing mandator. Project financing mandator. This is exclusive contract for the project financing that allow for the collection of largest shareholder to the arrange pool for project financing for the arrangement fee and charge like this one. This is the senior, super senior, senior, mezzanine, junior, equity and ratio. And the registration for the project financing special purpose and arrange for the escrow account of trust company, arrange for the private equity of the project developer, arrange for the bridge loan to the transfer land ownership, arrange for the principal investment. And the project loan trenching already told to you. And also the recourse loan here. Recourse loan is the recourse loan program according to the national credit rating, and the project developer credit rating is the credit loan program, pledge loan program, mortgage loan program, credit enforcement of project contractor, and also ABCD together is negotiable, no problem. You understand? This is the recourse loan. Limited recourse loan and non-recourse loan is a little different. Limited recourse loan program is maybe sovereign guarantee, sovereign bond, national bank guarantee, national bank bond, municipal bank bond, public corporation bond, credit reinforcement of project contractor, and operation ABCD are negotiable. But that is the limited recourse loan and the non-recourse loan. Real speaking is no need like this kind of. But this kind is belong to the recourse loan. You understand? Non-recourse loan and the limited recourse loan is like only in term of, understand? In term of the futures, cash flow, and the business feasibility. You understand? Business feasibility is good, and cash flow is very good. You understand? In this case, without like this kind of the credit, pleasure, mortgage, you understand? We can provide a project financing program. But for your reference, the maybe sovereign guarantee like this. Sovereign guarantee is we come to the president. We have audience with many country presidents. They are issue of the sovereign guarantee. They are very worried. No. This is the only like this. This project, you understand? We provide the project financing program and also build up over the operating normally. But if you give us of the sovereign guarantee, you understand, or sovereign bond, you understand? Sovereign guarantee is like this. If you sovereign guarantee, okay, all this profit and the cash flow is belong to the government. You understand? And also the government is the guaranteed to the payback of the, for example, the keynote, the gold bullion, crude, natural gas, copper, rare metal like this return to us. It's okay. You understand? It's okay. But the very worry, you understand? Very worry. Why? Issue, this is the central bank. The issue for the guarantee. Not guarantee. Guarantee is the central bank pay for cash. Maybe it's the refinery construction building over there in Nigeria. And the cash flow is very good. There's no problem. They can pay for those cash, not any problem. You understand? Because of that is the non-recourse loan, recourse loan, limited recourse loan. You need to study very clearly. You understand? Really very simple one. Issue, maybe issue of the sovereign guarantee is not any problem. Face-to-face meeting over there, we can give a briefing to you very clearly. You understand? Key is the construction project and also BOT, BTO like this. BTO is the build ownership transfer into the government and operating of ourselves. But we are a management over there. You understand? Normally speaking, government every day come here. This department come here. This problem. No problem. We can transfer into all things to you. We are only the monitoring of this company. Understand? And also profit or not is a government payback of periodically payback of the maybe every 6 months, semi-annual and annually how much gold, how much crude, how much natural gas. It's okay. You know, not struggle and fighting together. In order to this, we propose to you of the this one. Number 17, selection of the contract manager. Number 18, recommendation of the construction supervision on behalf of the state government. Number 19, selection of a credit rating agency for the project contractor, his consortium or his subcontractor together. Number 20, selection of appraisal agency. You know, the asset appraisal agency. Number 20, build up for the construction special purpose vehicle. This is the preparation of the international bidding document, applying for the prepared bidder, prepared tender, and issuing for the tendering security of the surety guarantee, and the selection of the raw and the sub-material long-term supplier. This is the normally speaking CM and the PM they can do, but it belong to the PM. Selection of off-taker contract. This is belong to the PM, but CM no problem. The contract of power purchase agreement between the special purpose vehicle and the government authority. This is the staff of the special purpose vehicle or project developer, but the CM is can do it. Okay. And also selection of the attorney law firm, legal advisor for the civil code, criminal code, commercial code, corporate code, taxation code, labor code, custom law, and the project contract law. Too much, project delivery method act. This is every government, they have the project delivery, maybe BOT, BTO, BOOT, BOOMT, BOO, RTL, PPP, IPP, RTO, like this one. And the other code in the law act, third made law, common law, registration of the construction special purpose vehicle and the financial special purpose vehicle, and like this, and the operation for the escrow account of the master account. This is by the law firm, normally law firm and account company. Number 26, selection of the certified accountant advisor. Accountant advisor is the future's project feasibility evaluation, and the earning before, interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization, this EBITDA, and the sensitive analysis, advisor for the local taxation. They have the cash flow, you understand? They have study of cash flow, how much, you understand? This is very important of the selection of the certified account advisor, CPA. Professional staff of the PM, project manager and the CM, construction manager on behalf of the project developer, the competent minister of government authority, as here under, like this, CM and the PM, normally speaking, is they hire employer of the, like this company, social overhead capital developer project, hire, understand? Neo-digital city development project, this is big project, they need to CM and the PM hire together. Knowledge and high-tech industrial complex development project, this is the same, they need to they don't understand how to do maybe computer manufacturing factory and robot manufacturing factory. How much high, how much wide in the line they don't know because it's higher them. And land development project and housing development project and apartment reconstruction project. Apartment reconstruction is very complicated science and the city and maybe height, tall how much, high how much it maybe the military and the air force control over the height how much over there, everything. And all the city redevelopment project, urban renewal project, plant construction project, movie and film commitment project, and too much, and another project is the maybe is the artificial intelligence project developer. That's too much, and job for the project construction manager. That's already done it, and this is the just before said. But today is we are concentration of the tutoring of the job of construction manager is a master plan for the project. Is a composition of a project team organization, establishment of the comprehensive project plan, budgeting for the project investment. This is belong to the construction project, no problem. Construction manager, no problem. Project manager, no problem. Establishment for the project master plan, preparation for the project bidding guide. This is belong to the, normally speaking, this is belong to the construction manager. Number 3, project construction step. That's step by step. Construction supervising in terms of project design and drawing. Number 4, project follow up management. This is in Latin language, ex post facto management, and in English, post management. Project final construction analysis, project business termination report, scope of contents of CM, general management sector, location of responsibility of shareholder, establishment of administrative procedure for the comprehensive management and coordination, establishment of the procedure for the handling related book, submission document and correspondence, establishment of quality assurance and quality control system, establishment of the cost management procedure and reporting system, establishment of the reporting, negotiating, meeting approval procedure. B, design and drawing management sector, design and drawing management summary, communicating management of order, designer and contractor, connection operation management among the engineer type, checking of design reflection of the requirement of the project developer, design processing and management within the construction cost budget, technical review and suggestion, alternative for the design and drawing book. Number 2 is structure and civil engineering sector, over design status of the structure, checking on the structural coupling, condition for the simplifying structure, selection of the optimal method for the construction period and workability consideration, report on the minimizing civil engineering construction, exerting and analysis of problem and advice and alternative. Number 3, facility and external field, electrical field, an economic and efficient system selection based on the characteristic of building and plant. Project cost control. D is project cost control. design value engineering and alternative proposal for the construction cost reduction in project, comparative analysis of the cost of design and the cost construction, review of construction cost by design and alternative, analysis on the change of the construction cost compared to budget, review and confirmation of construction cost statement. B, construction step, value engineering for the construction step, activity to the reduce construction cost by the improving construction method and construction engineering method, adjustment of construction cost according to the design and the drawing change, an analysis of impact of construction cost and design and the drawing change and the construction plan change. E, process management technique, preparation of a master schedule for the entire business schedule, estimation of appropriate construction period and the suggestion of reduction of period, a study of the appropriateness of construction period for construction suggested, mediating and confirmation of construction period, construction companies project schedule plan and supervising F, project quality control. This is belong to the project construction manager. Is a definition of inspection and surveying responsibility relationship, establishment of quality control plan management and reviewing, implementing civil engineering, induction of quality improvement through the period management, review of detailed construction drawing and construction plan prepared by the contractor, confirmation of construction performance such as construction specification and quantity by the major construction type, construction of user material and suitability with the design and drawing book, review of the specification quality color. G is a dispute and civil complaint management, object and transparent management of project, consideration for the minimization for the dispute during the various contract reflection, preliminary prediction and management report of dispute element, review of risk minimization by the project contract due to dispute, presentation of the best solution of the in case of dispute. H, post completion step, master plan for the commissioning and the test run, establishment of the plan for the maintenance of operation facility, establishment of a transfer plan for the facility, how to do turnkey or transfer into the project developer, construction cost settlement confirmation, a report on the completion of construction project management service, preparation and the confirmation of the construction punch list. Punch list is very important. Punch list is clearly and sign and stamp how to do when we can finish after completion certificate from the government authority, and also the staff of project manager. This is we will continue, but limited partnership, general partnership, trust company continue. And here, project financing participant. Project financing participant. This is the little long science. Project financial lead manager, the finance lead manager, project advisor, project contractor, landowner, joint venture project, credit rating corporation, trust corporation, project financing syndicate loan, project financing consortium loan. This is each one you can do. Project asset manager, escrow account management operation, and master master account operation, project financing vehicle. This is the PFB, and also advanced cash cow company. Advanced cash cow company is very important. This is in emergency. You can borrow money, but this is borrow money high risk, high return. Maybe 30 day, 5 day. You understand? This is you are not financial institution. You cannot borrow the call money is impossible. In this case, you can prepare over there the advanced cash cow company. Number 9, project financing type fund, recourse loan fund. Non-recourse loan program is the recourse loan provider cannot request of a project loan, although project is suspended or contract is defaulted under construction of a project. This is the non-recourse loan, 100% non-recourse loan. In this case, you understand, government, central bank, and we directly BOT project and BOT project negotiation. And in view of the business feasibility study, this only in view of future business feasibility study only we can do. On the base of the project sales income cash flow, the EBITDA, recourse loan is different. You know, recourse loan is the credit, maybe credit how much, mortgage how much, pledge more how much, like this one. And in here is the 3 kind of loan: recourse loan, limited recourse loan, non-recourse loan. This is the BOT. Maybe government credit rate is very good, no problem. Maybe in USA we can invest over there. We can, you understand, make money. We return to the maybe UK, France, anytime, refund anything, no problem. But the African Ghana country, they have this is cannot do. In this case, your country is a central bank give us the guarantee. Guarantee maybe in USA come to over there very simple. We are 5 billion invest over there. Provide the project financing program. They can local is maybe JP Morgan. They can provide of the credit default swap. You understand? We will buy some maybe the premium, credit default swap premium, and they can give maybe that is the other problem of the credit default swap of this project of project manager and the project maybe owner, developer. You understand? In this case, the JP Morgan is the indemnify of all things, but Ghana is no. You understand? And maybe we can put into money in China. China Sinosure, they can no problem. Okay, this is the government project. You can put into the 400 billion, 40 billion, 40 billion. Okay, no problem. They can issue a Sinosure. Government no problem. In this case, the Sinosure is maybe like this, indemnify us of all our loss. This is not any problem. In China, no problem. But Africa, maybe South Africa, they are nothing. They have no maybe the surety insurance company, no provider. Government no provider of everything. In this case, is who can provide? Project developer, they can buy up the income to London over there. You understand? London over there. Okay, they can buy up the surety insurance certificate. Okay, you put into the money is the provider of the project financing program, 8 billion for this project. Maybe problem, we can this insurance maybe surety insurance company. Okay, is the payback your loss everything. This is really speaking, it's a very simple one. Not thinking too much. I'm Professor Dr. Charles Kim, is very famous in the world. You understand? maybe if you have any project, okay, only you can consulting, no problem. You can pay for the retaining fee. We can continue to consulting, and you can maybe the tutoring fee. We can continue to the tutoring and lecturing to the curriculum courseware for the project financing program, cooperative financing program, structure financing program. How to do build up of refinery, build up cement plant, construction of the maybe seaport, airport, international airport, everything. You understand? Don't talking too much. Come, welcome, and also dash. You understand? We will give you the warmest regard during the COVID-19. Everybody, Almighty God grace you and your family. Thank you very much. Thank you.